Hi, my name is Christoph and I've been with the crypto code for almost a year now. Well, the crypto code is innovative, I would say cutting edge, and everyone's very friendly. Well, there are actually no similar products out on the market compared to the crypto code. Joel and his team are very innovative. They bring out cutting edge bots all the time, improving the systems to be able to earn money, and the whole team is also very helpful. I would say there is nobody like the crypto code. My biggest success so far was converting $20 into $2,500 using the crypto code's prediction bot. That was quite an amazing thing. Then I've got the wave bots running 24/7, earning me additional income, and I think my profits have gone into the thousands already. Well, I would recommend you definitely join the crypto code, even if you are a newbie. There are training programs on the platform. They are so well structured that if you go through them diligently, then you will become from a newbie to an expert. And as I said, the team comes out with very innovative technology and bots all the time to help you increase your personal income, which it definitely does. So, and the forums are very helpful. If you have any question, it will get answered. So I actually see no reason why you shouldn't join the crypto code today.